Is that clock right?
Why? Is it time to go home yet?
Are you kidding? We'll be lucky if we get out of here by dawn. Besides, I've asked Michael to come over so you can officially go on record with your accusations.
So give it to me straight, Doc. Is the patient ever going to be able to play piano again?
The prognosis isn't good. The Rialto plan is a pretty strong case against you. It seems there were extensive property damage, and some of it involving personal injury.
The demonstration was nonviolent, just like all the others that we sponsor. I can vouch for every member of the group. The Blues are not involved in any kind of criminal activity.
All right, let's confine the discussion to why you targeted the Rialto plant in the first place.
Okay? There's a lot of reasons. Number one, the Rialto plant's records on safety, the environment, they look like a list of war crimes. Let me show you something. Okay. Here we go. That's Barbara Walsh.
Who is she?
She's a foreman. She was at the Rialto plant.
She's pretty.
She was. Very.
He blew it off the water. My father was a farmer, and I his only daughter. Woke up with an old good, a working man in Massachusetts. We died from too much whiskey, and leaves me these three places to be.
Yeah.
Who is this little girl?
Oh, that's Jenny. She's 5. She lives in a foster home up by Sacramento.
A foster home. What happened to her mother?
There was an explosion at the Rialto plant. Barbara didn't die. She just wished she had. 3/4 of her body was severely burned. She lost her eyesight. She couldn't take care of herself, let alone her family, so they came and took her kids. And now what she has left is memories, courtesy of the same people who are now going after me.